What's up guys, it's Ketan here. Thank you for spending your few minutes of your day with Technogyan. Today we are going to show you how you can root your Eureka easily. So let's begin. So firstly you have to set the settings developer option which you will get from the build date. You have to press this button, build number. I think you have to press the build number for 6 to 7 times and you will get this setting developer option. In this you have to tick the option advanced boot and update recovery, cyanogen recovery, update cyanogen recovery. This you have to uncheck, press OK, and then you have to on the Android debugging, and that is it from the device. Then power off the device. There we go. Then guys, we just have to put the few files into the internal storage of the device. You just have to make a folder named TWRP, and then under it you just have to make a folder theme. Then under it you just have to place the UI zip file which I have been given the link into the description. Then the work of your PC or laptop will come into
These
play.
are the files that you will need to root your device.
I will give all of these files link in the description below. Then you just have to put this charging pin into your device, and then you have to do three things simultaneously. Press power button and volume up button, and the USB into the USB slot of your laptop or personal computer, anything you can use. So let's do it, and make sure that you are pressing power button and volume up button simultaneously, and putting the USB into the USB slot. Let's go. There we go. That will open the fast boot mode, which will help us to root your device. Let's go. Then you have to turn on your laptop. Then you just have to press shift button and right click of the mouse. Then you can see the open command window here, but you have to open this in the folder which I will give the link into the description, and that it is Eureka root files. And
there you can see
begin. The command window is open. Then you just have to copy and paste the code that I will give you the code into the description that you can check. Let's begin. So these are the codes which you have to use, and let me open this. And then you just have to copy the first command and put it into the command window.
There you can see our first command has been run properly, and device temper true, device unlock true. That means your bootloaders have been unlocked. Then we just have to open the second command, which is to unlock the bootloader. If you are doing the first time, then you have to unlock the bootloaders. I will show you. If you have unlocked your bootloaders previously, then you don't have to do this command in the command window. So I am doing this because those who have not used this command into the command window previously, then they can know how to do it. So let's copy it and paste into the command window. There you can see our second command has been run properly, which is unlock bootloader, finish, total time 0.16 then we just have second. To copy the second command, which is for custom recovery. Let's go. Copy it and we just have to paste it in the command window, then press enter. There you can see our custom recovery is been flashed and the time is 1.260 seconds that have taken to flash our custom recovery. So that is the final step for then our PC. Put out the USB. After taking out USB, then we just have to open our custom recovery to flash the Super SU zip. Then to open our custom recovery, we just have to press the power button and volume button and the volume up button simultaneously. There we go. We just have to press these three buttons till the screen gets on and the first vibration that is given you. Then we just have to tap on install and then where you have placed your this update super su.zip file, you have just to press it and you just have to swipe to confirm flash. There we go. Don't worry, I will give the link of this Super SU in the description. So press the reboot button from here onwards, then our screen will be rebooted. The first boot after the root will take few minutes. There you can see the Android is upgrading and the app has been started. There you can see our phone has been successfully rooted. Let me show you. There you can see the Super SU. Have to go to the Play Store and you just have to type root, sorry for that, root checker. There you can see the first app will appear, then you have to download it. Size of this application is 5 MB. There you can see we just have installed our root checker app. Then you just have to open it and agree. Okay, you just have to tap on verify root. This will check the process of the internal process that you have rooted your phone successfully or not. Then there you can see congratulations, the root access is properly installed on this device. For you guys, hope you like our video, and if you like our video then click the like button, and if you have any of the query about anything about this rooting process, then you can ask me into the comment section. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. That's it. Have a nice day.